Hello? Hello, is anyone there?
Hello.
Hi, yes, hi.
Okay, is this the student?
Yeah, I'm a student.
Okay, can you please turn on your camera?
Yeah, yes, okay. Hi.
Hi.
How
So
are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Okay, so what is your name?
Tudishan,
Utisan. Okay, you're from which place?
from the UK,
You're from UK, but basically from?
Sri Lanka.
Sorry?
Sri Lanka.
Acha, Sri Lanka, because your name is compared similar to Indian and something else. So that's why I just had a doubt. Okay. Welcome to the class. So what's the time now?
Here in England, it's 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock in the morning. My goodness. Okay, good. So it's 10:30 in India now in the morning. So what time you have your school?
The school is like at 8:30, so I'll be able to get ready from 7 to 8.
Okay, so that's the reason. So because I was just thought I was just thinking in case if the class is too early, I can extend for half an hour for you. But since you have a class, then it's not possible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So you already started web development. By the way, my name is Viji Anum. Okay, I've got a cold. I slightly have fever.
Okay.
Okay. I am one of the senior teacher trainer in Codeyoung. So I've been teaching kids from past 2+ years only for the Codeyoung. Okay. So how was your experience so far? You have completed
Uh,
5 classes, right?
it's been good. Yeah, it's been good.
So this is the first course you have joined, or you were learning something earlier also with Codeyoung?
Like at school, I did some coding, and then I came to web-based.
Okay, fine. Okay, never mind. Okay, so can you just on what platform you were doing the web development now?
Code.
I want you to, but actually that is a buggy one. I want you to download something else, which is called as Studio. Okay, so I'll be giving you a link. Before that, I think usually when we start the class, we will be doing it in the sandbox itself, so that you will also feel more comfortable. And once we start doing the higher thing, obviously, sandbox is not going to help you because it has got its own limitation. So that time we will shift it. Okay. So have you seen the
Like,
sandbox? I think when you did the demo, you were doing you have taken demo, right? So when you took the demo, what was the platform that was being used that time?
sandbox, I think.
Yes, Sandbox is a very simple platform. You don't have to do much things. It's a get, saving and all is quite easy. Even the other one also very easy. But we'll just start with some more classes where we'll be learning only the basic things. Okay?
Okay. So am I going back to the beginning?
No, 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 no. You are already in the 5th class. So I just wanted to. So whatever you have done, what are the things that you have done so far? Let me so that I can start with. Because today, as far as I'm concerned, today is your 5th class, isn't it?
Yeah, fifth
What
class,
did
yeah.
you do in the first 2 classes? First 4 classes? Of course, first class was an introduction about all those things. I hope the teacher has given you all the introduction. What is CSS? What is JavaScript? What is HTML? Full form? Everything was being done right.
Yeah.
And the next class, what did you do?
So we started learning about like subtag, S tag, strong tag, U tag.
Subscript, superscript.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
And
move
then like,
on.
like
And insertion and deletion.
oh right, yeah. I didn't
And
go
why you
that.
want to delete something from your website is not easy, right? Because you're not supposed to delete anything from the website, because when you publish a website, there are so many people who will be viewing or following your website. So suddenly if you make some changes, doesn't the follower who is following will get confused. So that's the reason we have deletion along with the insertion. So when you delete something, it will just show that this word is getting scratched out because this was an earlier word. And when you put a new word, it will be showing with the underline. I hope you
Yeah.
have done that, right? Then have you done about larger text?
Yeah.
Text,
Yeah.
then smaller text, and also giving the font size?
Yeah.
Okay, and what about marking a text?
What do you mean?
Suppose you want to highlight something on your particular
Right.
sentence.
Yeah. Highlighting. Yeah.
Okay, highlight. And grouping, division.
You mean like BR tag?
No, no, BR is a break. Grouping. How do you put? Suppose you, let's say you have got 4 or 5 paragraphs, and you want to make some, for CSS, that is styling, for 4 to 5 paragraphs. So individually going inside and doing, it's going to be quite tedious, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can put everything in a division and then do only once. Have you learned that division?
Like go into CSS and like do the font size,
Did
font
you use
color.
the tag called division, DIV?
Yeah, I think we did. Yeah.
Okay, that's done. So that means fourth class. Fourth class, did you do the mini project?
Like use all of them and put it in.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Can you just show me what was the mini project that you have done?
Um,
You can open your whatever one which you downloaded. Today, after completing today's session, we'll download this Visual Studio. Okay, I'll just guide you how to do it, because from next onwards, I think we'll start doing on Visual Studio.
okay.
You're in which grade?
A year 8, miss.
You're 8. Okay, so you have colored your hair.
Sorry?
You have colored your hair.
No, miss. This is natural.
Acha, you got double color.
Have I?
I don't know whether it's a light or what. I could see it's a brown in between black.
Oh,
So
right. That's my scalp. Some of
yeah,
my
and
hair.
I was wondering how come you are in the school and they allowed you to color your hair. Here they don't allow. Okay. We okay. You know how to highlight, put the text underline, italic, bold. Okay, scroll down, please. That's it. That's it.
That's it.
Only so much. Okay. Okay. You didn't use the highlighting things. Fine, no problem. Good. So have you learned about abbreviations?
No.
How to create. So that is what the session number 5 is all about. You're going to learn about abbreviations, how to create a quotation, and the side tag. Side tag you have already learned. That is nothing but the changing the font into italic. Okay. So instead of italic, we can also use the citing,
Okay.
especially when you want a part of the sentences, or when you want to give the name. Somebody's, like, you can see that in science book. You have science book, right? In the science book, suppose the scientist name or a species name, especially in biology, bacteria species or virus, you can see that it is written in italic. So those kind of small sentences, when you have something in your website, then we use cite. Okay. uh, okay, I will use the Visual Studio only.
Okay.
So once I finish explaining, you can download the Visual Studio and it. Okay. Okay, let me just share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay. So in your code.org, right? That's what you're doing. Which one you are using?
Code pen.
Acha, code. In that you are able to use the title, right?
Yeah.
In Sandbox, we cannot use title because Sandbox itself is a website kind of thing. Now, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, this is a studio, okay, Visual Studio Code. So this is how it's going to look. And where you are going to do the coding and you have to download something inside this so that you can do the testing. I'll be helping you out all those things. So here you have head. This is normal format. I just deleted something from the previous class. So I'm just using the entire thing. Okay. So you have already learned about strong, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, strong and bold is no much difference. When you do CSS, the strong will have extra emphasis on this thing compared to the bold. Okay, now let's go get into the thing. Now, first thing I'm going to show you the abbreviation. So how do we make an abbreviation? You know what is abbreviation? What do you mean by abbreviations?
If it's like 3 words, you get the beginning of each word and make your words.
Yes, so that is nothing but the short form, isn't it? Abbreviation is
short
nothing
form.
but a short form. So suppose you have a big name. For example, can you just give me an example? From web development only.
Oh.
HTML.
Oh, right. Yeah.
HTML, CSS, Java, JS, all these things are abbreviations. Okay, so abbreviations, which suppose just imagine every time you have to take a hypertext markup language, it just makes you so delayed, isn't it? So that's the reason we make it as HTML and we will make it. We abbreviated it as a HTML in the short form, so which is easy for us to call out. Okay, so how do we exactly create that abbreviation over here? So the tag for creating, let me just put everything in the center. Have we used this tag?
Center tag, yeah.
Yeah. So here what happened when you close a closing bracket, automatically the other part will get generated, the closing tag. So you don't have to create it. Okay, let me create a paragraph. Inside this, sorry, no, not a paragraph. Let's create an abbreviation. So for abbreviation, the code is going to be ABBR. Okay. After ABBR, we have to give the title, what exactly that you want to make. Inside this, you have to give the complete name. For example, HTML.
Okay.
Hypertext. Okay, this is a title. This is what I want to make as an abbreviation. So after that, I'm going to close this formula. Oh, sorry, it should be after the inverted comma. Okay, then what is my what I want this to be as a short form? What is a short form? We have to give it as, so this will be HTML. Okay, this is a HTML. Understood? After this, suppose if I want, after closing the tab, I'm going to, what is HTML? Let me type it as HTML. Basic structure of web page. Okay. So now let me, so here how I think I have to save it. After every line, I have to save it. Control S. Then I will right click on this and I will say open in live server. Okay. So I think I have to reshare my screen. I didn't give entire screen. 1 minute. Okay, I think you can see my entire screen now, right? This is it is automatically opening into the another browser. Okay, so it's just loading. Can you see this? HTML is a basic structure. So it is coming as HTML, but you can see that there is a small underlining, dotted underlining. Suppose if I keep my cursor on that, can you see? It is showing me the full form. So you might have seen this in a lot of websites. Whenever you keep your cursor on that, you can see that full form popping up like this. So this is how you create a, abbreviation. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Any doubt in this?
Not.
Okay, now we have to do some quotations. You know what is a quotations or quote?
When you have quotation marks,
Yeah,
you can.
especially suppose if you want, if you are reading a novel and you want a particular dialogue, your
Hmm.
favorite dialogue, then you will put, they will put it in the quotation, saying that somebody has spoken that. Even the big people's some quotations, quotes will be there in the so many places, right? So here also we can do the quotation. So how do we do that? Again, I'll create a paragraph. Okay, so let's say my uh, just writing some dummy sentence. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just made a sentence. So here, this word web developer, I want to be in the code. So the code will be Q. Okay, the tag will be Q.
Yeah. Okay. Control C, Control V.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm saving this. Control S is to save the file. Let's get inside this. Once you save it, can you see this with the code?
Wow.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see. I can see.
Yeah. So this is how you can give a code.
Okay.
Uh, and one more thing is site. Actually, session number 6 or 5 don't have much things.
Okay.
Because you will be starting new tables and things like that from the next class. It's going to take a lot of time. Okay.
Tables.
Sorry? Huh.
We've done tables.
You've already done images also.
Yeah, tables and images.
Oh, okay. So
If you
he
want, I
made
can show you. We did like a big table
right.
of the
Then
seven
it is
wonders of
showing.
the.
So it is showing you today is your 6th class. Sorry, 5th class. So the tables and images will come in the 6th class.
I don't know what happened, but if you want, I can show you. In my
Yeah, yeah.
class, we did
I'll
the
see after this. I'll see after this. Okay.
seven wonders of the world, like the country, the
Uh-huh.
name of it, and the image of it.
Oh, so did you learn about gradients?
Sorry, miss.
Gradient, color gradient. How do we
No,
give multiple colors in the background? Did you learn?
no,
Did you learn how to put the background image for a website?
no.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I'm just typing a sentence. Okay, see, I'm saving this. This is site code I'm given. Okay, site. This is just like, can you see? Just like making the things italic.
All right. Okay.
But italic will not work every time. So we have to remember this code. Okay, site code.
Right.
This
Okay.
is the thing. Okay, now I think that means I have to cover up which are the things which is left out for you. Okay, okay. Is it clear for you now?
Yeah. Clear.
Now, before you download, I want you to share your screen and show me the last project what you have done. Why did you turn off your camera?
Miss, can you see this one?
Okay, tables you have made. Okay, fine. Then it was the last class project.
This was the last
Right.
session
So
5 images and tables.
session 5 itself, he has taken that. Okay.
So I'm confused. How come I did session 5 then, but I'm doing session 5 now?
That's what did you do on session 5? That's what even I was wondering.
I think my previous mentor messed it up.
Ah, okay.
Because like I haven't learned some of the things you said, and then he said that for some paragraphs you have to use CSS to join them up, and then like you have to increase font size and color of the text using CSS.
Correct.
And that was just confusing. This one I remember.
Who is that? What is this?
5 paragraphs, and then he told me to get CSS and copy and paste it again and again, and then like
Ah,
change.
this is, see, wait. What is this? You know this? What is this?
No, I don't. He just
Array,
randomly.
this and all is going to come later, actually. This is a class.
Uh,
Without teaching what is class he has done. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, but you have learned the text align, right?
what do you mean?
Text
Oh,
align.
right. Yeah,
See,
yeah,
this is
yeah.
left, this is right, right? Where did you give that? Text align for this paragraph, introduction. Where is it?
Justify that.
No, justify means the things will come. Oh, okay. He did it like that. Okay. Scroll up, please. So this has not been explained. Without that, you just did copy pasting.
Basically, yeah.
Okay. This is what I told. See, this is okay. So did you understood this project?
No.
Okay.
Honestly, it was quite random because he told me to go into the paragraphs and then like do this thing div plus PO
This
file.
is what I asked you. Do you know this? What is this div?
Yeah, then I told you you have to do it in CSS.
Who said?
I said you have to do it in CSS, and you were like, oh no, no, that's not the one.
No. This you can do it over here only. But what is this? What is the use
Division,
of this? Huh?
division,
Sorry?
division,
Division. Why are we creating a division? And what is
so
a
that we
class?
can give different properties to different paragraphs.
Correct. But what is a class?
Uh,
He messed up
don't know.
everything with you. Okay. There is something. Okay, class is being done. Just scroll up.
Yeah,
Okay, up. It has told you how to create a class ID. Sorry. Okay. Nothing.
honestly, miss, he hasn't explained much very well.
Hey, you should ask. See,
But
some
like,
people are just want to cover up the portions, but we have to ask.
yeah,
Don't worry. Only 5 classes has been done, no? So we have time. So I'll be repeating all these things. So I'll be teaching you what is class, what is the purpose of, and it is actually class is very, very important for us. Okay. See, class will help us to give the CSS, in a very formatted way. And when you have go to make a professional website, we have to use class. We cannot use go inline. You know what is inline and external files, internal
no,
files.
miss, no,
Okay. Okay,
haven't
never
read it.
mind. I want you to download now. Share your screen.
Yeah, okay, okay, right.
Now open a browser. Just type Visual Studio Code. Download. Click on the first one.
Listen,
No, not that. Not that. No, sorry. That is an extension actually.
okay,
Here.
no, no, oh, that one, no. Download for Windows.
Yes. Actually, this is a very professional website. Okay. Did you click on download? Here you have download option. Just click only once. It will get downloaded over here at the bottom. Okay. Just wait for it. Just have a look. You'll get a folder downloaded over there.
Yeah, mine is Windows 11.
See, it's already got downloaded twice. Okay, click on one of the file, open. Did you click on open? Hello? Did you click on open?
It didn't allow me.
Why? Just click on open, the folder will get opened. Where did it got downloaded?
Oh no, it is open now.
It's opening? Okay. I want to see that screen, okay?
Can you not see?
No, I can't see. That's the reason. You're
Okay.
not sharing the entire screen.
Okay. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's installing. You have learned about anchor tag, right? For putting the images. Click on finish.
Uh, it sounds familiar, miss, but I don't think I.
Anchor tag, we use it. Suppose you're taking a image from a website. Suppose you liked a logo. You want a logo. So you don't get it in the Google search, right? Particular
Hmm.
logo. So you have to go to that company and take the website image. So those time, how do you do that?
I don't know.
You've not done that? Okay. Okay, next two classes, we will just clear up whatever is pending for you, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now click on this one, file
Click
here,
on it.
the top.
Okay.
Click on that. Okay, before that, you need to create a folder on your desktop. So can you just minimize this?
Okay.
Uh, Minimize this also. Go to the desktop. Just create a folder
Yeah.
called any name you can give, web development or whatever.
Okay.
This is a desktop. Okay, it's in the document. So please remember, it will be better if you can give it to the desktop. Okay, fine. So it is in the PC documents. You should know the path.
Okay. I put it on desktop.
Okay. Okay. Now go to the studio. Open the studio. Open the folder. Click on open folder. Here. Which was your folder? Click select folder. Okay, you trust your own file, right? So say yes. It's your own file.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we need some extension. So click on this. Yeah. Can you see live server? Click on this.
So,
Install. This is for viewing your code, okay, after the output. Okay. Now go over here. The file top. Huh. You can close this one. Okay, so now you can see that your folder is here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how do we add whatever you want, you will be adding over here. So if you see this block, you will be adding. Okay, so how do we add? Suppose first we need to add a file. So if you want to create a file, you will create a file like this. Click on this plus. So here, whenever you want to make an HTML file, whatever the name you give, .html you have to type. Okay, the extension should be typed. So for example, now what name you want to give for the file?
sorry, miss.
Sorry?
Sorry, what did you say?
What name you want to give for your file? Let's say
Anything else?
class, first class. Huh? So we just type it as first class.
Okay.
First class of the studio. So I just type no spaces allowed, no number, no number. No space.
Okay.
Okay, first class dot HTML dot.
Uh,
Yeah, like this. Okay.
okay.
Just click anywhere else. Just click anywhere. So your first file has got created. So remember, we will be also using the external CSS. So CSS are two types. One is, suppose you are doing some CSS, if you have only one web page, we will do inside the HTML only. But suppose your web page is having a lot of designing and a lot of pages, then we will do it in the external CSS. Okay, so suppose you want to do it in the external CSS, again click on this add a file. Okay, you can type it as style.css. Another file, okay, CSS file you're going to create, style.css. We can type any name. I just told you style, okay. So this is your HTML file, this is your CSS file. So whatever you do it in this file, it is called external CSS, okay, which
Okay.
I'll be teaching you what is that. And then what happened, even though both these files are inside this folder, they are not connected.
Okay.
Okay. So this file maybe, you can create by yourself, or is something, let's say your friend has made a website and you like the design very much. You can import the design from there and put it over here. It's up to you. Okay. So whenever you do
Okay.
something like that, we have to connect these two files. So how do you connect the files? That also you will be learning shortly. Okay. So now here you can start typing your thing. So when you want to do the homework, create a separate folder like homework. Inside that, you keep on making the files.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can do this abbreviation.
Okay. Okay.
No. First you start with doc type. Total full thing I want you to practice. Not like
Sorry,
this.
miss.
Start the file, HTML file will start with doc type, right? Please start like that.
Fine.
Doc type. Open the bracket.
Okay.
See the first line. Click on that. Select it from there. Yeah. Press enter. What are the parts of HTML file?
HTML at the beginning.
Start HTML.
Okay. HTML.
Close the bracket. Close the bracket. So press enter. After HTML.
Head.
Please type head. Close the bracket. Okay. Inside the head, what do we have?
Head.
We will do it, go in the format itself, so that you don't miss out anything when you make big projects. Okay. So give a title also. Give a title for your page. What title you want to give? Where do you see the title?
At the like top, like up here.
Yes. Okay. Give us title for this.
Okay.
What is your title?
Let's like that. First class HTML.
Okay. Whatever. It's up to you. So you have learned the strike through, right?
Sorry, miss, what was that?
Strike through. Like
Yeah,
suppose.
hashtag, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then now create abbreviation.
Sorry, miss.
Abbreviation. Let's
Previous.
say you're going to make a abbreviation for CSS or anything, whatever you feel like. No, abbreviation without closing. You have to go inside the abbreviation, give a title. So here.
Okay. Miss, do you watch Marvel?
Sorry?
Do you watch Marvel?
No, not there. Here. Inside the bracket.
Where here?
Space. Title.
Sorry?
Title. What is the title of your abbreviation? Title. T-I. Oh, yeah. Because my nose is blocked, you may feel difficult to understand.
It's a tongue.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you want to make?
Um.
WW triple W is a World Wide Web.
Okay.
Always start with the W, first W capital, wide, second W capital, because it's a abbreviation which you're going to pick up. World, W capital, wide, yeah, again W capital.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, close the tab. After here, come here, come here.
Yeah.
After the tab, now, what is a short form for that?
WWW.
Please type there.
Okay. No, capital, right?
Capital, yeah. Okay, what is it? You can just write something about it. WW.
I forgot the guy who made it. Who was it, sir?
You, I don't know.
The one.
Just say
This is a
something.
very famous platform.
Okay, whatever. Help us to host a website. Okay, well, anything doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Here, if you want to give a dummy paragraph, what you can do is just type low, LO.
Okay.
You want to give a dummy paragraph. Just type O. It will give you a complete paragraph.
Okay. What do I type?
LO, LO. See, low rev. Just pick up that. See, we'll get a complete paragraph. Yeah. You don't see, most of the time we need some dummy things, right? We can't keep on typing something which is not
Yeah.
good. So
Yeah.
that time you can use that. Okay.
Okay.
Run this and see now. So for running, right. First, can you see? Always you have to have a watch on this. So whenever it says number 1, that means your file is not saved. So to save that, Control S.
Yeah. Saved.
Okay. Now right click on this area, any of this area. Right click, open with live server. Just open. Only once you need to open this. Okay. After that, you don't have to do it. Just save your file automatically. That's save. See, can you see this? See what is happening here? Entire thing is getting highlighted.
Yeah.
What happened? Go inside. There is a mistake. Go inside. Studio. What happened? Give a space after that. Yeah. Oh, this has to be, abbreviation has to be closed after here.
Oh, okay.
That is only the abbreviation. The sentence is not the abbreviation. No?
Yeah.
Here after WW. No, after WW. What is your
Oh,
abbreviation?
right.
That has to come over there.
Okay. Yeah, like that.
Okay, now run. Save it. That you close the bracket. Close the bracket after. Yeah, see, it is automatically comes. You just need to delete that.
Okay.
Yeah. Control yes. Just open to the, where is it? Can you see now?
Okay.
No, it's only that. Yeah. Now what else it was? Actually, the direction was here only because since you're already learned. Now it is a quotation.
Okay.
How do you give a quote?
Yeah. So how do I start it off, miss?
Again, what do you want to quote? Create a paragraph.
Okay.
Inside the paragraph, you make some sentence. My favorite hobby, or not OL.
Okay.
Q is for quote.
Okay.
Okay. So what is your sentence you want to quote? Make a sentence in that you quote something. Okay, your name, you can quote it.
Okay. And here I have to put the Q tag, right?
Ah, yeah. Close the Q also.
Oh, open.
Close it. You did close. Close the Q. Copy that and paste it over there. This is one of the problem over here. Actually, we have to give the code before itself. I mean the tag.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it worked.
See there. Okay. Now a site also. You know how to insert a line between something?
No.
Break will give you the next line. Suppose you want to put a line like this. So then what do
Yeah.
we do? We have another tag which is called as HR.
Okay.
Okay, and then you have to give the color. What color you want? What size you want? For example, I want you to create a HR tab after this.
After where?
After platform. Press
Okay.
enter. Press enter. Okay, HR.
Mm.
What color you want? No, inside itself you have to give the color. What color you want for your line?
Um,
Color equal to
green.
whatever type.
Okay.
Color.
Okay.
What is the size? The thickness you want.
How do you do that?
Size. You can just give size, comma. After that, semicolon. Just give comma.
Comma.
Size. Just give 10. Let's see how does it go to look. No, okay. Then the width also.
Mm.
Let's say 75% width. Let's see what happens. How does it look? Percent.
Okay.
Now just save it, run it. Can you see
Okay.
the line? So this is a width of your thing. This is a width, length is a width, okay? And the size is nothing but the thickness. Understood? Like this, you can keep the line between the, depending upon the design. Suppose you want to give a line or a border, something very thick. So you can use this. This is HR is another block.
Okay.
Okay. So grouping comes when a web page contains so many contents like, paragraph, images, a lot of things, and you want to give a similar style to all the, style property to all these things. Okay, then you can create a group. So we use either division or a span.
Okay.
So division will help you. Tag is uh, used to group all the other HTML content together. So, for example, can you make 2 paragraphs? Let's go
Okay.
insert some dummy paragraph.
No, new paragraph.
Huh.
Okay. Yeah.
One more paragraph. Go to the line number 40.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have got two paragraphs. So whenever you want to make a division, you have to go inside the head. Okay, come here, go to the style after style.
Sorry.
Sorry, after title, press enter.
Okay.
Create a style, tab, style. Cross the tile, cross the bracket. Press enter. There you can make a division. Press enter, please.
Okay.
Okay, go inside this. Okay, yeah. So create a division. Suppose you want it for the paragraph. Okay.
Okay.
Division. What are the things you want to change? Let's say styling. Where is division? Open the flower bracket. Open the flower bracket. Flower bracket after div. No, 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 not there. After div.
Okay.
See, whatever is CSS you want to give, that should be inside the flower bracket. Okay. Go inside and let's say I want you to make this paragraph a font color red, background color, let's say yellow,
Okay.
and font size 30 pixel. Give the
Okay.
designing, give the coding for that.
Okay. So font color.
Font color red, color, no font color, just color. You don't have anything called font color, just color. Red. Background color, I want that to be yellow. A text font size, I want to be 30 pixel.
Okay.
No, 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 no. Font hyphen size. Yes, 30 pixel. Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay. So this is the division you have created because wherever you apply this division, the things should change. So division will basically see you have got two paragraphs. Suppose you have to change this. What did you learn? You go inside the paragraph and do this, right? That's what you have learned, right?
Yeah.
So I do, let's say we got 100 paragraph over here and it's not easy for you to go inside 100 paragraph and do it. So what do? You just create a group like this. Then what do you do? Suppose you want to apply over here. Come here and press enter.
Here.
Come there. We are going to apply this. So open the division tab there. Division.
Division.
Okay. Remove this and put it where you want to stop it. Here, right? You want to apply for these two paragraphs, right?
Yeah.
So remove that and put it over there. Now see, save it, run it. Can you see? Do you understand what exactly happened?
Sorry, miss.
Huh?
What did you say?
Did you understand what exactly happened?
Yeah.
Means, see, when you want to group something, okay, instead of doing individually, if you want to group something, you can use the division. Okay.
Yeah.
So do one time styling and apply it wherever you want.
Okay.
Okay, it will be easy rather than going inside for each and everything. So see, just imagine you had around 10 paragraph. So doing this same thing inside of every paragraph is time consuming, isn't it? Instead of that, we did it only once over here and we just called it. So that even suppose if you have, let's say if you make one more paragraph, even that paragraph, until whatever is there in the between the closing and opening tab of this will have the same styling what you have given over here. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear what is division now?
Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, just go inside, go to the output.
All right.
Output. Yeah. See, suppose let's say your sentence is very small, okay, up to here. Okay, then also what happened? This color will come up to here because this is a division. Okay.
Right.
Let's say your sentence is only so much and the color is background color is coming up to here. If you don't want that, then instead of division, we use another, we use another block which is called as span. SPAN, which means the background will color will come only for how much text. Suppose your text is only so much, it will have a color only so much.
All right.
Yeah. So whenever you want to give a smaller thing, grouping, you can use the span.
Okay.
Clear? You can try out that also.
Yeah.
Just go inside the studio.
Okay. Yeah.
You can create some other paragraph.
Or can I just like do span here, span here?
No. Span is again just like instead of division, we are using span.
Yeah, but like what I'm saying is division will make it all yellow. I want this tiny bit to be, let's say, pink.
You can't go inside and do anything. This is already under the division. So if you want anything, make another paragraph.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah. Because up from here to here, it is division is applied. You can't make any changes on that.
Okay. Let's say I want something else to be here, right? Like I want like a different background color here, a different.
That you can't give. Then you can give a highlighting.
Oh, okay.
Uh, Make a small paragraph.
Okay.
Okay. Give Lauren and delete some part of it. Let's say you have taken only half of one sentence. Okay, just delete only one, keep it only one sentence.
Okay.
I think this will not cover entire page, no?
No, it won't.
Maybe this also you can delete if it's, who knows, maybe the font size is big, no?
Maybe.
Okay, the same thing, can you copy and make one more paragraph down?
What was the exact same thing?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay.
Now come here, we'll create a span.
Okay.
Open the tab, span. Open the bracket, bracket. Let's say font color, you can give something else. Background also, give something else. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Apply this spam over here. You
Yeah.
made it. Now you need to apply it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like inside the paragraph or
Outside. Before starting the paragraph.
okay. Oh, what happened?
You come here. Here. You open the some other file. Go to close the settings.
Hmm.
Where you want to apply the spam. So from there to where you want to stop the spam.
Okay.
Close that and you can close the span over here.
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
save it and try.
Oh yeah.
You see, the background color is not coming. What was the color you gave?
Pink.
Why the pink background color is not coming?
Hmm. Fine now.
Save it.
Still not coming.
Background color is not coming. What is the mistake? Give a space there. Okay. Try
Is
now.
that
Save
mad?
it.
No,
Why?
I have no idea.
Code is correct.
Oh.
Remove that background color. Type it again. It's a glitch.
Writing all of it.
I think the font is slightly bigger also.
It's still
Give
okay.
a font size around 35 pixel. Font size 35 pixel.
35 pixels.
Ah.
Okay.
Let's see now. Save it and run. Ah.
Background color not working.
I really don't understand why background color is not coming. That's what I wanted to show you.
Yeah, that was the whole point, wasn't it?
Awesome. Everything is correct only, nothing is wrong. Choose some other color for the font color.
Some other for the font.
Uh,
Uh,
maybe black, a darker color.
okay,
Because background color is blue, right?
purple.
Okay. You are also coughing.
Yeah, like the font is working, the background color is not working.
Why?
Right.
Code is correct only for that is what we give for background color, right? Background color
Yeah.
equal to. I wanted to show you actually that one. So just go to the output.
Okay.
So what happens, what I was trying to tell you is like, suppose you're giving a background color, it will come only up to here, not for the entire page.
Yeah, it wouldn't go all the way down. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I wanted. I don't know why background color is not coming. So maybe some glitch. Okay. So is it clear whatever we have done today?
Yeah, all clear.
Yeah. Now division is clear for you, right? Why do we use a division?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Next class, I'm going to show you how do we do the class. It's very important.
Next class, you will be my teacher, right, miss?
Yeah. From here onwards, I'm going to be the teacher for you. I hope you understood whatever I was teaching.
Yeah.
Because
Really
I'm going to cover up whatever you have missed up. Okay, then only we'll continue with the thing because you have learned a lot of things which is comes later. Okay,
right.
no problem. Okay, then it's almost time
Right,
up.
miss.
Take care. Have a nice day.
You too, miss. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you. Bye bye.